Hi, my name is Dr. Stanton Henry, and I was asked to tell you guys the best way to care for your traditional braces when you have them to keep them as clean as possible. First, and the most challenging thing will be opening the fancy, weird toothbrush. This is not necessary, but I'll demonstrate with this toothbrush. First and foremost, in step one, is simply to brush your teeth. What you can do is think about going at every angle that you can. Brush below the braces. Brush above the braces. Go in circles. Try to do everything you can to get under and around all the wires. Here's a pro tip. Sometimes I tell patients that I see kids every day brushing at our office, and they're not very intentional. They go, and sometimes they're not paying attention, they're not looking, and that's just a typical teenager. One pro tip I say serves two purposes. At night, brush twice. Once without any toothpaste and just water. And what that does is, we want the patient to brush an area, look in the mirror, and make sure it's super clean and shiny. Then brush another area. Do all the techniques, make sure it's super clean and shiny, and then use toothpaste to add the fluoride. Those are my best pro tips for brushing your braces.